Okay, I don't know how this is supposed to start. Hello. I am, I really don't know how this is supposed to start, but since it's October and that spoopy season and that time for all the orange things or spoopy things, I don't really know, all the beautiful things to happen in October. Anyway, I'm going to be doing, for the spoopy season, in the season of October, I'm going to be doing slime. Yes, I know slime is outdated or whatever, but this is something I could play with afterwards, and instead of like doing pumpkin carving, which I was probably going to do first, or like drawing a pumpkin, which I also was probably going to do first, I decided to do slime because I can play with this afterwards, and plus it's not really that boring for me to play with, so while I'm doing other stuff, I could be playing with slime, or when I'm stressed, I could be playing with slime. But anyway, I got the starter kit because I forgot how to make it. Took many tries and failed each time. But anyway, good thing this has instructions on it, because without the instructions, I would probably fail, but I'll probably still fail anyway. But that's what trying comes from. You gotta try, alright? So, I need to unbox this first, and then show you the instructions. Well, I'll put the instructions on the side, because that'll be better than you staring at a box. But anyway, let me unbox this, and then we could, well, I could make the slime. Okay, I have now unboxed all the fun things, cool things, beautiful things, scrumptious things, and useful things. So, first things first, we have clear Elmer's glue. I'm wearing black, oh my Jesus Christ. I'm wearing black gloves because, making slime could obviously go wrong, and, you know, I can mess everything up, and it's gonna be a fail video, which it probably is. But anyway, you got the clear Elmer's glue first. Yes, I don't, whatever. But then you got the magical liquid. Oh, look at it in all its glory. You got glitter glue. Oh my god. Glitter glue to color it. And yes, I know, orange isn't in here, so we're not using that. We're gonna be using that. Just, it'll probably go wrong because it's not what it was in the box, but it's still glitter glue. They're the same thing, so it should work perfectly. Only thing that they didn't give me was a bowl, so I have a green bowl here. And they didn't give me anything to mix with, so I have popsicle sticks. So, with that being said, let's create some beautiful orange slime. Yeah. Yep. That's what we're going to be doing. Anyway, let's go step by step with these instructions. So, first things first, we're going to need this beautiful green bowl that I found in my room. So the first thing, pour out an entire bottle of 5 fluid ounce Elmer's clear school glue into the container. Okay, pour it in. Get in there. Oh! Oh, those are some glorious sounds. Alright, step 2, after filling that up. Step 2. Add your choice of Elmer's glitter glue pen and mix. Okay, well, I don't have the pen. I have this. It's still Elmer's glitter glue, so it should be perfectly fine, right? Nothing bad's gonna happen, right? Okay, so obviously it's gonna turn orange. But I don't know how much. Okay, let's add more just in case. You mix this, right? Okay, and mix. Step 3, mix until a color is evenly mixed in bowl. Ooh. Okay. I'll just mix this then. Because why am I doing this like it's already... Wow, look! Slime. Amazing. Whatever. Okay, yeah, this isn't as orange. I want this thing to be freaking orange. To the point where it's like, oh my god. Scary. But anyway. Let me just shove this in there. Oh. Oh. Was that enough? I don't know. That should be enough. Okay. I don't know if that's enough still. Because I want this thing to be orange. Like, it's like Halloween. Like, come on now. I want this thing to be a pumpkin. Alright. That's what I want this to be a cute pumpkin. Oh my god, that is too much. Freaking. Okay, it's alright. It's okay. Because it is great. It's smart. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, just mix this. Look at that. See that orangeness? I'm holding this too, so it won't go like this. But anyway. I just made a whole mess. This is why I wear gloves, because I'm an idiot and I can't. Oh, now it's leaking on the sides. Oh my god. I think I need a new glove now. Now what? I'm so done. But look at that. It's looking orange. That's exactly what I want. Add 1 bottle of magic liquid. Magic liquid. Okay. Let's take this glove off. 1 bottle. A whole bottle? Are you nuts? Okay, whatever you say. Add the whole thing or add 1 bottle? I mean, it says 1 bottle, so I'm gonna just do what this thing says. What to do? Mix until mixture gets harder to mix and slime begins to form. Really now? So amazing. Yes, look at that. Oh yes. Okay, mix this. But now it's gonna be all watery and saggy because all this. Maybe if I wasn't so stupid and mixed it before, it wouldn't have been atrocious. Now, would it? I mean, it's not looking this is looking beautiful, if I do say so myself. This is looking scrum-diddly-umptious, if I do say so myself. This is looking like a pumpkin, as I do say so myself. I'm just gonna shut up and mix this. Ew! It looks like snot. But anyway, I'm gonna shut up and mix this. Oh, yes. That's what we're aiming for. Should I just dump it on the freaking table now? Look at this snot. Oh, yes. Look at this. Looks like that gel stuff, gorilla snot, or whatever it's called. That's what it looks like. Boogers. I made orange boogers. Look at these boogers, though. Oh my god. That is scrum-diddly-umptious. But, I mean, it became slime. So, oh my god. Oh, no. Oh, no. I think this is how it was supposed to turn out. I mean, it's slime. So, that's good. And it's orange. And it's a pumpkin. You see that? Oh, yeah. This video is so long. It is 12 minutes. I don't know how long our thing was. Oh, listen. Oh, satisfying. But I don't know how long this is supposed to be. So it is probably way over the limit. I'm going to have a lot of editing to do. This is 13 minutes long. So, with that being said, and with the slime created, that's it. Goodbye. Oh my god, my hands.